Hi, so today is our first team building skill here at Rowell's, and basically what we're doing is we blindfolded the team captains and we gave them a box. And we didn't tell them what was in the box. And what was in the box was a bicycle that they'll be building as a team together in groups of 3 and 4. And the bikes will be donated to the Boys and Girls Clubs. The kids will be coming over on Monday to pick up their bikes. So just one little way that we can give back to our community and have a little fun with some good team building skills. Seconds to find a team captain. Raise it up so it's the rim.
First I was thinking it was in the middle of this thing.
Oh yeah, no, sorry.
Coming over, look at
You're doing great.
Probably a girl bike. Alright, we gotta have pedals or something.
Yeah.
We need to
You guys are killing it. They're having fun. Look at it. It's pretty exciting. Yay. Okay, careful. Woo!
This is not as easy as it looks.
Oh, it's reverse thread.
It is reverse. Kick the pedal off. Yep. Good job, Rick.
Almost there. Now push it down.
Hope Aiden enjoys his bike.
Good luck, Jillian. Kid tested and approved.
Wear a helmet for sure because you need your no noggin. And I hope you guys can enjoy these. It's gonna be great.
You're not ticklish, I think you might be.